guys? Homesteading cheaper by the dozen. We're on the way. We got an interesting day today. We're on the way out to meet one of our YouTube subscribers that's the kids really enjoy his. He gives a lot of comments, and he's a heavy equipment operator, so he's giving the boys a lot of comments about mechanic stuff and things of that nature. But he's got some tools that he's going to donate to us for the homestead, and he's en route on a trip, and he was going to come out and meet us part way. So we're about 2.5 hour drive to go out and meet up with him, and we're just about to be out there. In about 10 or 15 minutes we'll be pulling in. But we're excited. Some of the kids are going for the weekend, so he's not going to get to meet everybody, but we're excited to get to finally meet him and for him to get to meet up with the boys. Stay tuned. So kind of funny story. There's Mr. Jim's van right there. So we're meeting up at Pilot, and for some reason this exit has two pilots, one across the interstate from the other. There's Mr. Jim. He sent us some tools and books about a year ago, and some toys and things for the kids, so I'm excited to meet up with him. Mr. Jim, how's it going?
First, how you doing? Hey guys! Wow.
He sent some.
Hey buddy.
This is Jacob. This is Isaiah.
Hey, how you doing?
So,
you guys are like movie stars. I was sharing you think to a lot of people. So.
He was telling on the way up the box that you sent.
Yeah.
He said he's still got one of the stuffed animals that you sent.
Oh, I had all kinds of stuff. Yeah. My brother owned one of these warehouses, like a mini storage.
Yeah.
So if we had to throw sadly a lot of stuff away, so I had all these toys and tools. And,
awesome.
So we got warehouses full of tools and extra stuff, so I can't really sell it too good.
Yeah.
Nowadays, so I saw you guys. I got so much good stuff for you. Here's the John Deere books.
Awesome. Those will come in handy.
There's 300 and 400 series. Let me turn.
When Mr. Jim sent us some books on the backhoe, and Caleb's got a bunch of good reading material off of those, and a Cummins book. Caleb's read those like they're textbooks.
These are John Deere 400, 300 series. I just saw your thing, you got the motor turning.
Yeah.
But you might want to just Murphy's Law, because I'm half Irish, take the cylinder head off.
Okay.
Because when they sit for years, the valves sometimes can break off and break. And now if you get it started, which will probably start on ether, on the other 3 cylinders, it'll just destroy your cylinder head, because I got a few engines that happen to.
Gotcha.
And if you get it to turn cool, but it's such a nice machine, it's not that hard to take that head off. It's easy there. You don't have to take much apart.
Just making sure the valves aren't rusted up in the
diesel, if the rings stick. Over the years, I rarely saw a diesel run right where a compression just doesn't come up. So you might want to pop the head, give it a shot, and see.
Caleb's got the front clip pulled off of it, and it wouldn't be anything to pull that head and
pop it off and just go through it. And it's not that hard. I think I even have that. You get a semi-wet motor. This is up in Long Island. I think I have that engine that was, believe it or not, scrapped from one of these Kennedy Airport de-icer trucks. We had to cut one up, but there was a John Deere diesel in it. I'm talking to you guys too. I don't want to annoy you. And we took the motor and saved it. But I think it's a little rusty, but it might have good parts. We're gonna find a 4-cylinder John Deere.
Yeah.
About that era for the mid-70s.
Cool.
So it's sitting there in my friend's yard, so I'll see if I can grab it.
That's the kids' favorite thing about the YouTube. Anybody, they love your comments.
Yeah.
Like
I try to just help people, because some people get mad. They're like, "Oh, I've been doing this since like 1970. Since your age, I took apart a mini bike. You know, like 10, 9, 10. How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm 14.
Okay, so I was like younger than you. I was like maybe 10. I took apart like lawnmowers, because people were throwing them out. Mini bikes. We went from dirt bikes to outboard motors, because where I lived there was old boats. So we get junk motors and fix them. And I kind of grew up no father, you know, so we had to learn everything on our own a little bit. You know what? Me and my little brother, that's how we learned everything. Now my little brother, he's doing really well. I'm just a normal guy. He's like made it to the top, so I'm proud of him. But he's I'm bringing all this stuff to him now. All these scaffolds all the way from Brooklyn to go to North Carolina, which is 40 that way south to that waterfall house. So,
Yeah.
So it's all straight up. I can barely make it up there with this van. Let me turn this
I think I
side.
saw
Once in a while, and it drips a little oil out of the tank.
Yeah.
But that's normal on these. But that's an excellent little 350 saw. I got so many chainsaws I can't use them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. I got like this giant still I got with a 5 foot bar, and I got a regular commercial Husky because we're cutting stumps a lot. So, but that saw is one of the most reliable. Starts right.
That's a really good mid-sized saw.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not the little tiny one. And the next.
I was using that more than anything. I said, you know what? It's going to you guys because I got like 10 saws now.
Wow, I appreciate it.
This I got out of the garbage. I fixed it. Runs perfect.
Awesome.
All I had to do was put a capacitor in it for $5. The Chinese, even though I don't like to buy Chinese.
Yeah.
But I got it at a junk pile. Put the fuel. You got to go 2-stroke. It's a 2-stroke. You know.
Okay.
It's like it works okay. It runs all day.
Cool.
I got like so many generators sitting in my garage. So when you guys come through from the beach the next time, come through if you can come through by me. I'll just load. I got motors.
We'll be up 2 weeks. Let's see. I get off the 11th.
Okay.
And we've got our campground rented from the 14th through the 18th.
All right.
We're gonna go out and hang out at the beach, and then we'll be headed back through sometime after that.
That you mentioned to me you were going camping. Somebody gave me, I think it was out of one of the warehouses. This is a brand new tent, big one.
Awesome.
I'm pretty sure everything's in there. I'm not sure if the poles are all there, but you probably can figure something out. But this is a brand new tent. You want it? If not, I'll chuck it. It's not
put it to good use.
Yeah. I'll try to explain some of the stuff here.
We got the RV, but with 16 kids, we usually put the girls and mom.
You're right. Okay. Yeah.
I put it in the truck. We usually put the girls and mom and dad in the RV, and then the boys sleep out in a tent when we're camping. This is the boys after I drive out to Knoxville to meet Mr. Jim. Thank you, Mr. Jim, for all the tools. They're going to be a big blessing. The boys got some motors, chainsaws, and a little bit of everything that they can put to good use. Y'all can check out his channel. I'll try to put a link for his YouTube channel. He's got some really good videos on. The last one I watched was about machining a part for a machine that he had. He's an old school guy that knows how to do stuff instead of just buying parts. He knows how to fix things on a machinery. It's a dying breed, people that can actually fix things to themselves. That's the way everybody used to do it back in the day. Old farmers, you had a part to plow or something, you just had a blacksmith shop and you go out and fix it yourself. Nowadays everybody just buys everything to break, tear up, and buy a new part. But like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Y'all have a blessed day.